Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Google Travel in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, open Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, go to the new tab. Click on this plus button. New tab is open. In a new tab, we find Google Apps. Here we find Google Apps. Click on Google Apps. In Google Apps, scroll down and find Travel. Here we find Google Travel. Click on Travel. Wait for a few seconds and Google Travel is open. After that, at a Google Chrome, at the top, we find three dot. Click on this three dot. Scroll down and find Save and Share. Go to the Save and Share. In a Save and Share, we find Install Trip all in one place or Google Travel, Install Trip or Travel. Click at here, Install Trip. Here we find Install and new window pop up. Close it. Click on No Thanks. Close the Google Chrome. On desktop, we find our Google Travel or the Trip. Also in the start, we find Trip or Google Travel. Open it from anywhere. I open it from the desktop. And it is downloaded and installed on our Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.